Description: ANZA Healing ColorCare Trauma Treatment Hair Treatment contains a combination of amino acids and ceramides to stimulate color attachment and longevity. This powerful product adds shine and prevents heat and sun damage. Benefits: rebuilds the hair strength and provides color stimulation and protection. Adds essential strength and moisture. Suggested use: pre-shampoo the hair. Distribute the treatment evenly throughout the hair while avoiding the scalp. Can be used as a leave-in or rinse-out treatment. ANZA's unique formula. Formulated with essential nutrients, this range of ANZA premium products is designed to free your hair from radical damage, prevent future split ends, and keep hair and scalp feeling and looking beautiful every day. Heal and repair bleach damage. Whether you're coloring your hair yourself or using the services of a professional, your hair might look fried and frizzy due to the layers of chemicals that lock in moisture and dehydrate your hair. This miracle haircare range from ANZA will reinforce your hair and help nourish it from roots to ends. Say goodbye to frizzy, dull, and dehydrated hair, now and forever. Get your luster back. Get your brilliant shine and smoothness back with the ANZA Healing ColorCare line. Thanks to the wild natural nourishment, your hair will look silky smooth, full of color and life. Top reviews from the United States. Soft hair. I recently had my hair lightened, so I figured I would need a treatment to keep my color bright and soft. This product does both plus more. A stylist at the salon gave it rave reviews. But I bought it on Amazon BC. The price is lower than the salon's price. Very satisfied with this product.